In today's video, we are going to do another variation of posture and balance training. Today I have my lovely blue Airex foam square. It's very lovely. There's a link below in the description section if you'd like to check that out on Amazon. With all of these exercises, we are going to be standing on this foam square Airex. If you don't have one of these, you could also use a pillow or a folded up towel, but it's just not as comfy as this, but you can still use that if you'd like. So let's check it out. We're going to place our Airex on the floor so the long ways is going forward and backwards. And we're going to put one foot in front of the other. Now I don't have shoes on to make this a little bit more challenging, but you can always wear shoes, okay? So tandem standing is basically putting the heel of one foot in front of the toe on the left foot, and that's tandem standing. Woo! And then when you switch feet, you put the left foot in front of the right foot. That way you challenge yourself in both directions. But let's get back to our right tandem stand and put the right foot in front of the left. And let's check out this exercise. Okay, now that we are standing in tandem with our right foot in front of the other on our blue Airex, let's check our posture. Okay, I have a chair next to me just in case. And that wouldn't be a bad idea because this is more challenging than it looks. So first of all, go ahead and tighten your abdominal muscles, tuck those wings and tuck the chin. And I'll put a link up here showing you how to assume a good posture. You can check that out if you don't know. So let's get our good posture position and let go of the chair if we can. And let's do some chin tucks. Let's do 5, okay? 1, and then remember, you have to do these exercises with me too. You can't just sit back there and make fun of me. 3, so it's not fair. 4, good, and 5, good. If you feel like you can do more, that's great. Keep your tummy muscles tight, tuck those wings, tuck your chin. Let's do our next little challenge here. Again, our feet are still in tandem. Our right foot's in front of the other, okay? We're going to bring one arm up and one arm out to the side and then switch. And that's 1. Ooh, this challenges the balance. I'm wobbling. So, woo, I'm going to fall over. 2, don't make fun of me. You got to do this too. Good. My abdominal muscles are braced. 3, very exciting. Now, if this hurts your ankles, please stop. 4, good. You can always do this without the foam roll. And 5. I said foam roll, I meant foam Airex. Let's switch feet. Put your left foot in front of the right. Okay, let's check our posture again. Brace your abdomen, tuck the wings, tuck your chin. And again, there's a link up here if you would like to, if you forget how to check your posture. Let's do 5 chin tucks. 1, very exciting. 2, our abdomen's braced. 3, 4, 1 more, and 5. And again, with chin tucks, you don't want to do this. You want to slide your head straight back, okay? Now let's try the arms. We're going to bring one arm front and one arm to the side. 1, keep the abdominal muscles braced, shoulders back, your chin tucked, very exciting. 2, this is mentally challenging. Good. 3, good. Very exciting. My daughter's watching and making faces at me. 4, good. And 5, very good. Last but not least, let's try our alternating hip abduction. We are going to bring our feet together. Okay, you can hold on to get started. Okay, again, we're going to check our posture. Go ahead and keep your abdominal muscles braced. Tuck those wings and tuck your chin. And we're going to go side to side. Okay, now when you lift up your leg, if you notice that your hip drops, then please hold on and make sure that your hip does not drop. Keep it straight up and down. Okay, that keeps your spine more aligned. Okay, so while we're doing this, let's try and keep your chin tucked and your abdominal muscles braced and our wings tucked while we go side to side. I'm also trying, although may not be terribly successful is not to lean to the side too much, okay? Try and keep yourself straight up and down, okay? If you need to hold on, please do, okay? This is another way just to work that posture. Let's try 5. Whoop, good. 1, abdominal muscles are tight. 2, I'm gonna try to take my hand off. You can too. 3, very exciting. 4, and 5. Very good. All right. Okay, that was our fun posture and balance exercises with our foam square Airex here. You certainly may try all of these without this. You can try it on towels or just on the floor if you're not ready for this yet. So I hope you had a good time, and if you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comment section below. And if you got some value in this, please press the like button, and we'll see you next time. Thanks. Bye.